This is a basic tutorial to get our customers acquainted with the VGL viewer software we provide on all X-ray computed tomography jobs we deliver. We created a more in-depth library of tutorials and offer all our customers free access at any time. Because what good is the accurate data we provide if you're not sure how to use it? It's all part of the Nell Pretech people, process, and platform.
Hi, this is Mike from Nell Pretech, and I'm here today with a basic tutorial for navigation within the viewer software. The first few things we're going to talk about are these four windows right here. These are where you're going to be doing all the data visualization. The bottom right window here is the 3D rendering of your CT scan data. As you can see, you can move around a 3D object. To rotate it, I'm just clicking and dragging. To zoom in, scrolling the mouse wheel. If we, for some reason, need to pan, there is a button located right down here, which allows you to click and then pan and move the object. If we want to go back to rotation, you select the button next to it again. Now these other three windows are three different orthogonal cutting planes. So if I want to move this slicing plane right here, all you have to do is mouse over that particular window and start scrolling your mouse wheel. Similarly, we have a top-down window over here, so I will mouse over that window and scroll. You can see the location of that cutting plane in each of the three other views. And lastly, we have the third direction down here, that I put my mouse in that window and I'm scrolling my mouse wheel. If we need to zoom in here, we can hold Control and with our mouse pointer over that window, scroll our mouse wheel. This will allow us to zoom in on some features. Additionally, if you need to pan across your object, click and hold down your mouse wheel and drag. If these windows are just too small, you do have the ability to expand these windows. Of say this window up here on the top right. In the top right corner, there's this box that you can click to toggle full screen mode. And you can still slice within that view and pan around. Additionally, you might have the surface lines turned on or off. In this case, they're turned off, but if we want to turn them on, we just click this surface lines button down here, and that will turn on the surface lines that we see here. To turn them off again, we just click them till it says off. If we want to minimize this window and return back to the home screen, we just click again the button in the top right, and this is common to all three windows. Lastly, there's the scene tree on the right. This is very similar to a normal CAD window, in which you're going to have some certain parent objects and maybe some analyses under them. In this case, where you have the volume highlighted, the volume is your CT data set. Now it may be named differently in the case of your particular project. Maybe it's called cavity 1 or sample 1, for instance, but right now it's just called volume. Additionally, you can see that we do have a CAD model loaded into this scene. So if we want to view that, just like in CAD software, uncheck the volume, highlight, and check the CAD model. And now we can see the CAD model. And the opposite to view the CT data set again. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating within the myVGL software. If you have any questions, reach out to us at nellpretech.com or give us a call. Thanks.